Hi guys, Christian here from Evolve Technik. Today we're in a customer's F56 Mini Cooper JCW. We're about to take it out for a road test to see what it does after its stage 2 upgrade. So come with us and let's see how it goes. The new Minis have got a dial switch on the bottom here in the middle, and we can switch it between Eco, Mid and Sport mode. So we'll just flick it to the left and it just heightens the throttle response and improves the mapping of the gearbox. You can also flick the shifter lever across to the left and that'll put it into sports mode. BMW have done a real trick with these new F56 models, putting the 2-litre turbo engine in it. It's just such a great platform to begin with. Stock they're 170 kilowatts and about 320 newton meters of torque. We give them another, with this particular upgrade, we give them about another 30 kilowatts thereabouts, and another 70 odd newton meters of torque. So modification wise, what we've done to this car is we've installed a stage 2 ECU tune. We spent quite a bit of time custom tuning this car, given it was one of the first that we've done here in Melbourne. We also have fitted a catted Supersprint downpipe and an AFE cold air intake system as well. The other thing we've done to this tune is we've also incorporated our AK-47 feature. Now these stock have a little bit of it, we've just enhanced it that touch more. The one thing they've really designed well in this new Mini is the handling. The older R56s used to torque steer to buggery when you put a bit more power into them, and this actually, you can feel a little bit of pull in the steering, but it's nothing too crazy. It almost feels like an all-wheel drive. Now this is a fun town car. It's got the sound, it's not over the top. You've got the responsiveness, you've got a bit of pops and bangs if you want it, but you flick the knob down the bottom here and puts it into a much more comfortable state, shuts the valves up on the exhaust, stops the cracking. What a great package for a day-to-day driver or those in the city that need to get from A to B and want to do it a little bit quicker. Okay guys, so that's it for the test drive today in this F56 Cooper JCW. The customer should be pretty wrapped with this upgrade. Extra 30 odd kilowatts and 70 newton meters is extremely noticeable on such a lightweight platform. So I think he will be extremely happy with the result. So for now, we'll see you next time, and hope you enjoyed the video.